So today I'm gonna be showing you guys microwaves and washing machines and also fridges. First, let's start off with the fridges. Oh wow, this actually looks nice. But how can you see the control panel when it's closed? By the way, this is located in Medium Market in Berlin. So let's see if I can actually open this up. Oh, there we go. Oh wow, this looks amazing. There's it's like a very small refrigerator. Now these are proper refrigerators. See. Oh, I haven't seen this. Oh, you haven't seen this. Look. It makes a movement when you twist it. That's amazing. So you can actually press this. Wow. And it said okay. It says okay in this company. Oh my God! In this refrigerator, it's made by the company by the name of OK. It's very funny. Now we got an old refrigerator. Ugh. Wow. Oh wow! And now it has like an ultra proper refrigerator with also freezer. That's good. So also it even has like these reviews on it. See about the energy consumption. So it's 157 kilowatt hours, and it uses 24 liters of freeziness, 194 liters of liquid, and I'm pretty sure this when it's using its system, it takes 41 decibels, so it's at C. But if it shows C, then it's not really good because it might be loud. They're very good. Wow. This refrigerator looks very nice. Look, here's my sister. She's really cute. All right. Wow, this looks amazing. What about the freezer? Oh, every time when you open the freezer, it's really heavy. Oh, you see that? Oh, it's very heavy. Ugh. Now I'm gonna close it. Oh, see. Oh, just hurt my hand. Ugh. Oh, look at this. Wow. This looks amazing. I can actually reach the buttons. These are the power buttons. Alright. And the LED lights. We're almost done, and then we're gonna go to the microwaves. And then after the microwaves, we're gonna go to the washing machines. And I bet you in my second channel, I got like 2,000 views. So this might work. Wow, this looks amazing. So I might get more than 500 views on this. And so we're going to the microwave section right now. So here are the microwaves. But I cannot do these two because this box is in the way, but I'm gonna try to see if I can actually do it. So yeah, I can't do it. So as I know you can actually see my face, it's a mirror. So you can actually confirm to start the 30 seconds. And this is the child lock. And you can clear the timer. I'm pretty sure this is I'm pretty sure you can actually adjust the timer, and you can select which mode. So if you want to see this, and read it, you can pause the video just for a little bit. There you go. And I'm pretty sure this is so confusing. Like, how can I even open the door? It doesn't have a door. I'm pretty sure if you press this button to open a door. Huh. LG, what is wrong with you? It's not good. I think I know how I can actually open this if there's no button. Actually, there you go. But the reason why I'm able to do it on here because there's nothing on the bottom. See, I cannot even do it from the bottom. But right over here, see, there's something. See, I can actually put my hand in it, and there you go. But also some microwaves, they have a button where you can actually open it. Cool. But I don't know how I can also open this up. I'm pretty sure there's a hinge where you can actually open it. But I'm pretty sure all of this on this LG Smart Inverter 10-year warranty microwave doesn't have it. That's strange. Let me go check with my sister. She's over there, all the way. My sister left. My sister went away. And alright, so I already did this. Oh, but this looks very nice. Also, you can actually do any kind of modes, but you can actually open this. See, to like actually open up the microwave. So I'm pretty sure there's actually a handle where you can actually open it up, and see, like that. It's the same as this one, but in a different color and reflection. And they said like really good, like, and also amazing. And yeah, there's another one. Oh wow, that looks amazing.
Ja, aber ich sag mal, wenn Sie sowas suchen, kann das Gerät meistens immer alles. Wenn Sie eine Backfunktion haben wollen.
I'm able to record this, but I'll try. Look at this. Yeah. I don't really know what does that mean. But just check this out, guys. Check this out. YouTube. And I'm pretty sure these are ovens. Yeah, these are ovens with electric heating elements on top. But let's do the washing machines on the sides. So I'm gonna start from all the way back over here. But they're just like a ton of washing machines right over here. Oh yeah, those are dishwashers. These are really good. There's nothing. Doesn't do anything. Let's see if I can actually turn this on. See if I can open this up. Someone's testing out a vacuum cleaner. And let's see if I can actually. It's on. No, it isn't. See if it's on. No. This is Braille for people who are blind. Yeah. And I don't know German, so if you can translate to what is this, then pause the video, take a screenshot of this, and then use Google Translate. Oh, there you go. I'm pretty sure it's useful if you want to add extra clothes. Wow. It's on. No.
So, nicht wundern, wenn Sie die Kollegen beim Anschließen über die Schulter gucken. Die wird
See if this is on or not.
der Hintergrund ist,
No, it
dass
doesn't.
die da mit Richtigkeit geprüft werden.
On.
Und je nach
No,
Produktionsstart sind
it's not really on. See. Nothing. It's not on. So, let's see if these ones are on. Let's see. Oh, no.
Fenster nur die gleich gehen.
Oh. Oh, wow, I haven't seen this before. It looks really nice. Doesn't even work. These are one of the classic washing machines. Oh wow. Really good. It's on? No. It's a classic. It's a classic. Save for this one. It's not on. Let's see. Usually in showcases like this, they leave them on to like show, like demonstrate the cycle, but here in Germany, no. Nah, it's not on. It's not on. Wow. Oh, I haven't seen this before. Remember. I don't even know. Oh, there are more washing machines. There are more washing machines. How about we try them out? No, it doesn't work. Remember, there's just like a ton of washing machines, but I have to be quick because I might get lost in this. Okay, but I'm gonna have to finish this video quick because I might get lost because I don't know where my parents, but I think I have their number. I have the number so I can call them. Oh my gosh. Okay, but alright, but let's okay, wait. Okay, so where are the dryers right now? This is a dryer. Yeah, this is. Okay, there are more. I'm not sure. How do you open this? Oh yeah. These washing machines are just like very hard to work with. Let me check if this is like the same order that I did. Alright. How about we continue? Yeah, let's see if we can get more washing machines. What is this? Not done yet. I'm sorry. There are too many washing machines. Did I do this order? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did do this order. Oh, I haven't did this order. Oh yeah, I think I did this order. There's more washing machines right over here. See, these are the typical ones, but these are the proper ones. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Oh. Oh yeah, opened it. Wow. Wait, I can hear my sister. I can hear my sister, so I have to be. Alright, so we gotta go quick. Oh, it's really good. This is a very nice one. Oh, those are touch. All right. Alright, so this is the last one of the video. I'm pretty sure there's more. Alright. But I'm pretty sure I just took like more than 15 minutes to make this video. And I don't know where are my parents. So I'm just gonna have to end off the video. So see you guys later. Yeah, see you guys later in the next video.